my gosh. Okay, I just got my squishy package that I ordered from theprettyprune.com. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. They had so many squishies. I definitely recommend them. And they're not like the specific sellers that you usually get like on Instagram, like the one person. It's like a company that like sends you it. You know what I'm talking about? I was kind of concerned because it came in this gas pack, like the shop. I don't know, but I feel like companies should have. Okay, so I see the invoice. It's like ripped. Well, that's not good. Okay, so yeah. It says at the bottom, oh my gosh, it says from Molly H. Love Molly H. You don't see that, but I don't know why. I thought it was a company. I don't even know. Okay. So I feel package. I guess I got extras. Thanks, Molly. I think I got extras. So. Well, I actually ordered I saw on the website it had an iBloom marble cake, and I was like, maybe they just came out with a new one. And like, this is not iBloom. Okay. I'm not impressed with the Pretty Prune. Oh, this might be my macaroon. I paid $15 for this. And it's not even squishy. But it's cute. But I paid, like, it's a purple Hello Kitty macaroon. Like, this is not a Hello Kitty macaroon. Oh my gosh. And then I got this jumbo Hello Kitty cupcake. I hope this is not my jumbo Hello Kitty cupcake. It's squishy, I mean, but it's not the Hello Kitty cupcake that I asked for, and it's like tiny. It's not jumbo. This making me so mad. This is my emoji squishy. This is like ripped at the top, and it's like, ew, just all around, like. And it's specifically spent emoji squishy, very soft and squishy. It literally says emoji squishy, very soft and squishy, and I bought it for $10 for that exact reason. She even said that they even said that it's kind of small, but they said that it's super like slow rising and squishy and soft. So. No! This right here is my jumbo panda bun, my Bretto squishy, my jumbo king banana, and my cake squishy scented, jumbo cake squishy scented. Oh my god. I'm so mad right now. It's in packaging, and the packaging has like a stain on it. At least it's in packaging. I mean, none of them were in packaging, obviously, which makes me pretty mad because I kind of paid for packaging. So I got $2 tax because I paid for extra. This is my panda bun. Where in the world do you see this as a bun? Like a panda bun? Listen. It's like a crackling squishy, and it doesn't even have like a nice face. Like, these are homemade squishies. It's good. Molly H gave me this. Don't buy from the Pretty Prune, the prettyprune.com. They give me homemade squishies. This is supposed to be my jumbo king banana. I don't even know how much I paid for this, but I paid $20 for this tiny, itty bitty nail polish smelling. Did she make it with nail polish? Oh my god, she could have at least made it with puffy paint or something. It's like defected up and down. You see that? Like that. This is my Bretto squishy. Are you? This is supposed to be my Bretto squishy. It is. I'm gonna just bend that for you. Do you see how many defects? Yet again, it smells like nail polish. It's super squishy though. I like it, but I mean, why would I pay $10 for this like thingy? She did say that the person on the website did say it's kind of tiny, like not a normal Bretto, but. This is my special scented cake squishy. If it does not smell like strawberries or cotton candy or something. Oh, nope. Nail polish. I'm sorry, I'm a little sick. This is obviously like homemade because that is the same color nail polish right there. See? And then the purple stuff is the same. This is so outrageous, guys. Look at that. There's nothing left in there. Wait, I did find something. I found something. And a broken pencil. So, if you wanted to know what my complete total was, it was $111 in total with the tax, 4 packaged. I was supposed to get a Bretto squishy, a Jumbo King banana, a Jumbo cake squishy scented. And I'm supposed to get a purple macaroon Hello Kitty Jumbo Eye Bloom marble cake, like rip. Jumbo purple Hello Kitty cupcake, no. Emoji squishy, very soft, no. My whole order was wrong. I'm so mad right now. Yeah, I'm so mad right now because I spent my time just doing a spoof. This was definitely a spoof. Obviously, I wouldn't get a package in a guest bag. Everything would literally fall out of this bag. The invoice is in my writing, if you don't know me. This packaging has nail polish stain from the squishies that I made. You guys don't know that I have squishies. And these are all my squishies that I purchased, except this one. I didn't purchase any of these, actually. But I made these the other day. This is literally me. So, this is not real. Don't think that what is it called? The prettyprune.com is a real website because it's not. One girl did kawaii deodorant and I just like doing the Pretty Prune. So, thanks for watching this beautiful spoof, and tell me in the comments if you guys got tricked. Bye.